Now to for me, newly found son-in-law, is a hard worker, diligent, and a loyal. You never make any mistake in a job them you give?
No, really, no, Shepherd. Why?
Murphy's Law. What can happen? Will happen. I see a mistake.
Me not like how that sound, Shepherd.
It's not a mistake unto death, Bubbles. Why you always make things sound so?
Because how you make it sound, Shepherd? You know so me not like hear them something there because me always worry for my people them.
No understand this, Bubbles. What if it happen? If it happen. As I said before, it's not a mistake unto death. Him will recover. But it is always going to be a learning experience.
So I go on, Jenna. There, I know. Same thing me tell you, man. Want some of the good stuff, you see me? Try this now. Brother, I don't know bills bag me I talk about, brother. Want a heavyweight, bro. Brother, now that you did for tell me, brother. I'm not gonna walk up and down with that. By the way, how you are running for? All that you want to know to brother, it don't really matter because you get the food. Brother, remember say I know you as dancer, you know. I don't know you as juggler. And I have to be very careful, you know. I will still not know who are who, you know. So I ask you something. When you want it for? As soon as possible, even if you can drop tonight.
Him going need no help. And I know for certain. Uno, not by feeling. Rum?
Yeah, ask me if me have rum, Shepherd?
No. Me I tell you say you have rum. Lime?
Yes, Shepherd.
Green?
Yes.
Go for them.
One or two. Lime.
Quarter dozen.
Good. Alright. You have one. I give me about 3 days. I will ask for an easy for no game. Me a better number than that. A better number yet. Alright, here one. 2 days. No man, that's shaky too. Give me a better number. Day and a half. Brother, we have to know what we are doing. Move them things around. Now, if you're not the license, remember, so the fed thing, move it. Just come here. You need to think me have a day and a half, you know. But you work with it. Best that you can do. See, remember, so no foolishness that type of game. A real thing, not that you ask for. See? Alright, so just drink now, you know when it's ready, yeah? Yeah, man. You want to go in. Oh, hold on there. You know me do want some calls, and I link to the calls there. Calls? Yeah. Bag juice you ask about, brother? You know the kids them about bag juice, man. They not go nice. You put on a big drawer when I place them and go look for that, brother. No, man, I'm not going to have a big drawer. Man, brother. No. You know, sir, and some natural juice and some green juice if you are dealing with them. I say that. So you make them there? Yeah, man, I deal with them, brother. I want to juggle, you want to juggle the bag juice? Yeah, man, everything I juggle. Alright. You can do that first. So hear me I say, you got bubbles in me. Good sir. You got bubbles. Alright.
Hope you can extend this together too. Nothing is true.
Shepherd.
Go sit down. On every mission, we must make a decision.
Yen up, 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 yen up.